We have to mobilise the whole of society, not just national governments, but businesses, investors, whole value chains, cities and civil society.
We have the solutions to halve emissions by 2030.
If we're going to solve this, I think it's very, very important that we believe that it's doable.
We used to be one of the most fossil fuel intensive companies in Europe, but we transformed.
And countries like India are going to post 88% of all the additional demand for electricity over the next 2 or 3 decades. So if we don't solve it for the emerging markets, if we don't solve it for the developing countries, then we don't solve it for anyone.
Energy efficiency, that is not an if, it's a must. It is the simple and impactful solution to a very complex crisis.
The other good thing about energy efficiency is that the solutions are already available. They just need to be implemented.
The customers are coming to us and demand reductions now. Not only because they want to stop climate change, but also to gain a competitive advantage in the climate transition in their sector and to avoid the CO2 tax coming.
Collaboration and the value chain perspective is key to making this happen at the speed that we need.
I am the zero-emission children's health campaigner, and I highlight the benefits that zero-emission transport has on children's health.
The shift to electric vehicles is the single biggest and fastest destroyer of demand for oil.
There are no major obstacles left when it comes to technology. What we need to focus 100% on now is the large-scale adoption.
So to put it simple, we have no safe landing on a stable climate nor a livable planet without a food system transformation. We will not hold the 1.5 degrees Celsius landing zone on climate without a food system transformation.
We are running out of time. That's the fact.
1.3 billion metric tons of food is wasted every year. That food waste represents a solution that we need to address.
We're looking at transforming our supply chains, but having a bigger effect than that. Advocating for change, encouraging others to go in the same direction. Regenerative agriculture is not just about carbon, it's about biodiversity, it's about water, but really crucially, it's about better lives.
Now let's use technology to make the most exponential transformation needed so we can protect our planet and move towards a very sustainable future.
Thinking exponentially is exactly what we need to do.
Since 2020, we've reduced operational energy by 486 million kilowatt hours towards our goal of saving 4 billion kilowatt hours by 2030.
We have to scale up action. If we want to stand any chance of staying below 1.5 degrees, we need many, many more companies to be doing their part.
These are all examples of exponential climate action.
We're in this together. We have the solutions in our hands together. So join the movement and do it today.
Let's go get it done. Let's seize this critical decade and let's get to work.